is cold. It is very cold. I got gloves on, but I have my fingers, but I got them in my pockets. Kind of keep them warm a little bit. But yeah, I got these gloves on to kind of help. This way I can tie on lures and stuff like that with these fingerless. We're almost there. About another 15 more minutes of paddling. We should be there. I've already taken water over the bow right here. I speared like a wave. This is miserable. Why did I decide to do this? I decided to do this last minute. Like the possible last minute to sign up for this tournament. I waited till like 5 minutes to cut off time to sign up. And I got up here late. And of course I wasn't the only one, because everybody else was still trying to get in the water when I got here. I mean, we just waited a little bit till it warmed up, till at least the sun got up to warm up the air a little bit. All right. I mean, truly a river right here. Stuff I don't know. Well, we're in some rocks now, so we're gonna try it. Wind and current. Two things I don't like. So yeah, it's a tough lake. This really is. But you know, I like a challenge, so I'll come out here and fish. Like I said, I waited to the last minute to sign up, and because I just don't have no confidence in down here. But I like a challenge. And it's cold. I hate fishing cold weather, and I hate fishing in the wind. I mean, this is miserable. I'll be honest with you. This is miserable, but it is what it is. So we're gonna make the best out of it, and we're gonna hopefully catch them. I mean, I'm floating at 4 miles an hour right now. That's insane. Well, right there's the dam. Right there's the dam. Got one. Whoa, nearly. This is insane, man. I was floating down 4 miles an hour. This little island right there, you probably can't see it. I'm gonna have to get closer. But yeah, you can see the trail of current through here. Water coming in this way, water coming in this way. It's kind of relatively shallow a little bit up there, and it's just creating a little calm area right there. And I think that's where these fish are kind of stacked up at. Kind of waiting for bait to kind of be washed down, and they're just sitting right there waiting, just waiting to feed. Just gotta run this Ned rig right across the right one, and that'd be on like Donkey Kong. There we go. Oh, that's a good bass. That's a good bass. Yeah. Oh no, it's a walleye. Dang it. Oh man, it's a walleye. Dang, I thought that was a smallmouth. Dang, Bobby. That's a big old walleye. Look at that thing. Yeah. Big old walleye. Wow. That's crazy. Well, throw him back. I thought I had a big old smallmouth. All kinds of stuff up in here. Perch. Just came on. Caught me a little perch. That's another perch. Another perch. There's a little perch down there. It's funny, I can feel like bluegill. They bite this thing like bluegill does. I know. This one might be a bass. Yeah, it's a bass. Little sucker, he's not going to measure. Not going to measure. Got that finagle all untangled. Back to fishing. Right here on the end of this island right here where the two currents come together. I'm kind of fishing this current break right here, and I saw on my graph there's a bunch of rock down there. So, and it's a lot easier for me to stay in position right here because the current's meeting right behind me. I mean, it's meeting right here, but it's meeting behind me right here. I'm kind of in the tailwaters. And it's a lot easier for me to just stay in position right here. There's a lot of backflow. When they come in, when the water's coming in, it's backflowing too. And I bet it's washing the bait up in there, and that's why these fish are stacked up right there. I mean, you know, I'm just catching perch. There was another bite. I missed him. Probably a perch. But hopefully there's some big old bass down there. I'm about to throw a jig in here. Maybe I can tie a bigger bite. But yeah, I don't have to work so hard to stay in position right here. So that's the thing, man. When you come out here on these rivers, you gotta know how to read these waters and know, because if you're just all day long, like what I was doing a minute ago, if you're just doing that all day, that's gonna wear you out. Doing that for an hour or two, and then you're just gonna be miserable. So you want to find you a spot where you don't have to work so hard. The wind would just stop blowing. It quit blowing me around where I could stay in this little backwash area right here. I think I'll be okay. I can just sit right here. Basically, you know, the water will keep me, you know, the backwash and stuff will just keep me in position. See, when the wind starts blowing, it turns you, and then you'll just get out of it. You get out of that little calm area, and next thing you know, you're back downriver again. Alright guys, just caught my second fish. That camera went dead. I don't understand that. I don't understand why it went so dead. Anyway. Choked it. Yep. All right. Second fish. Dang. Almost looks like the same one, but I don't think it is. Alright guys, so as you can tell, the tournament just did not go like I wanted it to. I caught, you know, I just could not find anything. It was like that in practice too. Could not find a pattern. I could not find the big bites. I could not find really any bites, to be honest with you. And you know, I almost opted out of fishing this tournament, but I decided to do it. I like a challenge. And that's pretty much what it was. It was a challenge. I mean, it was in that moving water. I thought those smallmouth would be up in there, and it just did not happen, you know. Caught a couple little largemouth, one big walleye. And yeah, so, but anyway, I ended up finishing 7th out of 24 anglers. So got some decent AOI points. I'm hoping to cull this tournament out, because on the AOI they count your best 5 tournaments, and we have like 8 tournaments. So hopefully this is one of the tournaments that I'm gonna be able to cull out this year, but we'll see. Also, down in the description below, or I'll probably put it up here, but go check out Josh Sharp video, Bass and Beer. I mean, he posted that video today. I'm just now getting around doing my outro, and man, I tell you what, I was on the edge of my seat at the very end of his video. That was some intense stuff, and if you know what I'm talking about, if you already seen the video, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. Link down in the description below. There's gonna be a link up here. Go check out his video. He ended up winning this tournament with 56 inches, and that is awesome. I mean, the wind was kicking. You know, he's in that bona fide, he's in a paddle kayak, and he was really struggling there whenever the wind kicked up there towards the end of the tournament. But congratulations to Josh Sharp at Bass and Beer. There was also some other tournament, some other YouTube guys, Cast to Catch, Creek. Oh man, I have it on the tip of my tongue. It's like Little Creek Fishing, and then my buddy Justin with Kayak Catfish. All 4 of those channels, links down in the description below. Go check out their channels. They make out some really good content. And but yeah, seriously, go check out Josh's video. That was some intense stuff. I was on the edge of my seat there at the end. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. You guys have a great day. Have a Merry Christmas, and I hope everybody has a happy and safe New Year, and we'll see you on the next one.